Hello everyone! Welcome to the Little Miniature channel. Today I am going to draw and color beautiful house with tree and scenery step by step. Let's start drawing. First, I'm going to draw a tree. Drawing the entire part of the tree. I'm going to draw a beautiful house. I started drawing from the top of the house. I draw a door. I draw 2 windows. Now I'm going to draw the entire wall of this place. I really like this wall in the village to beautify a house. I'm drawing the mountains outside. This time I'm drawing the beautiful plants surrounding my house. Next, I am drawing the sun. It is very beautiful. Like it. I am drawing a beautiful path to enter this house. And I'm drawing the beautiful grass in this land. Great! Now I am going to this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Amazing! Let's start coloring. First, I'll give you this color. This is it, French vermilion.
And here, emerald green color in full wall of this house.
Wow, that's great. I'm putting yellow colors on 2 windows and 1 door. Warm gray color. I am giving the tree a light green color. I give orange color to the setting sun. Marigold color in the mountains. And now I'm giving it a very beautiful dark green color. And I'm giving the tree trunk a brown color. Marigold color home on the main road. I am giving the entire area around it, that is the ground below, a green color, which is the color of grass. It looks very nice and green. The view from the house is very nice. Amazing! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you next video!